probably be just because it's slopers, and if you're bad on the slopers, it's quite hard. I'll probably just it's a greasy hole down.
Yeah, it's on the walls, that's it.
They're not awful.
It's not fun.
No,
That's it. Toes like your toes.
Yeah. You just have
Then you can move in and your right foot under that other one on the centre triangle.
Yeah, well, thanks. There's some competition.
So, up a bit, you're on.
That's like literally like I couldn't use red, stones, didn't really use fluoride because
Now remember, you can try to do that. Or you can
red, and then
or you can use the one below and then get the right thing up. Don't come into his fight. Just stand where you are.
I think only 14 miles.
Remember, you're going to dip. You're going to chest. You're going to do a split squat.
Off the top of my head.
Yeah.
It's going to be a split squat move.
Oh,
And you're going to dip down and then you're going to pull up into it. That's it. Nice. So we're going to pull in with your arms and then do that swap. Oh, well done. Now swap over. That's it. Well done. Oh, well done, man. Nice. So you've got a right. I don't know if you can get your right foot down on there. Or you're going to cross it. I don't know how good it is. That's it. Remember just to pull yourself in close. Stand. That's it. That's it. You've got a right foot up now into that boulder coming out. On the lower side.
This one here?
Yeah, but I'd go right foot on that. I don't know if it's a gripper though. Yeah, you can get in on that easily. That's it. Pull yourself in. Twist your hips. That's it. Now rest. Don't hold on too tight. That's it. Well done. Well done, man. Now remember not to hold on too tight. Pull yourself in.
just try and
So look at your feet now. Look what you're going to be doing with your feet. Look at your feet first. Look at all around where you're going to put your feet. Now you're on another hole. That's fine. Oh, there you go. That's good. Right. What I would say, you're going to have to work this one out. It's difficult. That's it. Nice. I think you're going to need to turn the other way and then hook your toe in on that one. And then step back and over on the other one. Yeah, just have a rest. That's it, well done. Use your hips, pull yourself in close, that's it. Think about what you're going to. Oh, well done. Well done, man. Good attempt. You want to try again? Or?